In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing this wig that I got from Asteria Hair Company. This is definitely taking me back because this is one of the first companies, not the first, but one of the first companies that I used to rock all the time and film videos with. So yeah, let's get into this unit. So this is a unit that is, I believe, a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled. You just gotta put it on and customize it to your hairline. So I'll show you the wig last, but let's just look what comes in this box. So it comes with the melting edge elastic or Velcro elastic band, and it comes with caps. It comes with these little wig tab tape. I don't use this at all ever, and then it comes with a little baggie and lashes. Don't nobody like the lashes, but anyway, so I have my own edge brush, little cutter, and then I have my scissors, and then my concealer that I normally put in the parting space. Okay, so now let's look at this wig. First of all, the hair is extremely thick. I love that. I freaking love that because this is a straight texture, and usually when you get straight textures you have to get a higher density just so that it can look really full, but this looks super good. I like the density of this wig. It has a little bit of weight to it. I went ahead and I already put my contour shade on the lace to darken it up so it can match with my skin tone a little bit better. It does come with braids. Okay, and like I said, this was already styled. It already has the baby hairs, as you guys can see, and you can obviously tell this is already pre-plucked. Okay, I believe this is pre-bleached as well. Yeah, it actually is, I can tell. It comes with an elastic band in the inside that has that material right there so it doesn't slip off of your head. And it also, my favorite part, comes with adjustable straps, which I already placed them in. I love that, the extra security that the wig has when it comes with adjustable straps. I love that. It also has 3 wig combs, 2 on each side by the ears. There we go, right here. And then you also have 1 in the back. Okay, like I said, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So I know I'm going to have to customize it around the ear. So let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. I literally have only done what you guys have seen. I put it on. I have my contour shade inside of the lace to blend in with my skin tone a little bit better. I put a tiny bit of concealer in a parting space in the front. Really didn't need it. I thought I was going to do the whole zigzag, but I realized, like, why am I doing this? It does not need it. And then I put a little bit of gel, like, on the ear tabs just to lay it flat. And like I said, it came with these little ear tab tapes that you can put on there, but I don't prefer using these, just my preference. If it works for you, then I say go ahead and do that. Okay, so I feel like this is literally a low maintenance, very convenient wig. It can even be somewhat of like a ready to wear and go glueless unit, especially if you wear it down and you cut the ear tabs off. It has combs right there, so it can literally be a glueless wig when wearing it down if you want it to be. This is not my type of style. It's cute, but it's a little bit on the young side for me. I cannot wait to take this down so I can put some like layers in it. Cannot wait. But I just wanted to show you guys how the wig is going to look right out of the box and putting it on your head. I feel like this company did a really good job with pre-plucking, pre-bleaching, pre-cutting. Everything about this wig is really good. The density is good for it being straight. I feel like it is very thick. I really have nothing bad to say about this wig. They did put product over here to like lay this flat in the little ponytails. It's probably hairspray or gel. It's what it feels like. So you will have to wash that and get the product out of it. I feel like this is a really cute unit. So if you have tried this wig from this company, leave a comment down below so the girlies can take a look at everybody's opinions on this wig. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here.